wonder if I... Okay, no, never mind. It is 7:47. Usually at this time I'm already kind of trying to wind down, go to sleep. No, not go to sleep. That's what babies do. It's raining outside. I'm cold and I'm tired, but I just got back from the gym. My hair's a little greasy. Try to make it work for you though. Oh, that's cute. Okay, well, this is episode 2 of my installment. What am I doing? Okay, today's look is gonna be super wearable. I'm still lying. It's gonna be not wearable. It's actually gonna be like kind of disturbing. So I hope you enjoy. Just kidding, not disturbing. But you know what is disturbing is the Museum of Death. Victor and I went there actually not too long ago. Too much for me. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly. So obviously today's look is gonna be, I call this one lovesick. We're gonna do a little bit of Avant-Garde makeup, yes again, but this one's going to be a little more intense than the pink one. We're doing red. I look hecka crazy right now. So you're like, yo Lindsay, what the f did you just do to your eyebrows? Well, I gelled them. They look insane right now. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette. I hope this comes out how I want it to. I'm gonna take a really big fluffy brush, which is M504 by Morphe. It's really good. I have this really pretty super shock shadow from ColourPop called Erotic. I really want to use it today. I'm going in with Chicory, which is a really light red shadow. Well, I prepped my lid with my NYX I prepped my eyes with my NYX concealer and I didn't set it. That's gonna give me my ultimate pigment. I'm just gonna you know what? False. We're gonna not do that. Okay, so I was gonna start with my eyes, but I'm not gonna start with my eyes. I'm actually gonna go in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Opal. I saw Tessa do this. She put like a shimmering shade under her eyes and it made her under eyes look really pretty. It kind of, I guess, gives you like reflecting pigment. So I'm hoping this works. Hold on. I can't. So hopefully this doesn't backfire on me. I'm gonna then add my foundation. Oh yeah, it's working. Oh, yes, that shit worked bomb. Wow. My under eyes look... So the reason why I'm doing foundation first, because I'm gonna take my red eyeshadow really out, so I don't want to like, you know, have to like shape it around my foundation. I also just trimmed my bangs. They look a little shorter than usual. It's always that indecisive likeness whenever I'm about to cut my bangs. Like, should I cut them? Should I not cut them? And then I end up cutting them and I'm like, ah, here I am again. But I really like them. I posted on my Instagram like, should I keep them? Should I not? And you guys were like, you can always like gel them back. And I was like, duh. And for concealer, I'm going to take my Bye Bye Under Eye. I really always go back to this concealer. It's so good. I like that it's sticky, if that makes any sense. I also feel like it has like some pearl reflectance on it too. But with this concealer, I do like to blend it out with my brush, since it is a little thicker. So like the Beauty Blender just kind of smashes it. And you definitely have to set this concealer. Like, you will, no, you've got to set this. So I'm gonna set it. Okay, so now I am set. We'll come back to my face in a bit. So we have foundation, concealer. We'll do the rest once we're all set with my eyes. So I'll bring you back in so you can see. Oh, also look at my scrunchie. It's from American Apparel. Throwback days. Good old days. So the name of the game here is blending. Blending and time. I'm going to blend this everywhere. And I mean everywhere. If you're like bad at makeup, which I don't think anyone can physically be bad at makeup, like it's impossible, you'll like this look. Last Valentine's Day I was actually like not with anyone, and I was really like happy about that. I was comfortable with being single. I was at the point in my like life where I was like, wow, like I'm okay with this. It's okay, you know? I'm hoping that my vision pulls through and we don't have a flop here, okay? And you kind of just want to eyeball it. Wherever you want to add more, go ahead. So next I am going to take my Morphe M447. So I am switching palettes and I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill palette now. And I don't know the name of the shade because I threw away the box. So it's a dark red shade. So it's like the burnt orange color. And I'm going to deepen up my sockets. So I'm going to try my very best to make my eyes look a little sunken in. And again, I'm also going to be blending this. So after that, I'm going to take my Morphe, I forgot the name of this brush, but it's like the flat. It's a kind of a dupe for a 227 by MAC. And I'm going to take a darker red shade, it's about like a wine shade. And I'm going to put this really close under the lash line. And bring it upwards. Oh, I cleared those lashes. I'm gonna go get them before I forget. Ooh, that'll make it a look. A look. So with this look, you kind of just want to follow the natural shapes of your face. So if you feel an indentation there, put the brush there. And also just like take your time, you know. I'm gonna take the shade Exotic from my ColourPop collection. I'm gonna take the shade Erotic from ColourPop and I'm gonna pop that into my lid. I'm gonna use my finger. I love how these feel squishy. And this is super glittery. I use this in a minute. It's so pretty. It's like a strawberry. I'm gonna take the same big fluffy brush that we used in the beginning and just diffuse any harsh lines that we have Just diffuse any harsh lines around the edges. With my tiny brush, this is the really detailed Morphe brush, I'm going to take a very dark brown, reddish brown shade, go really in there, and create a little bit more of a shadow. I'm going to add some black eyeliner to hide my lash band.
Okay, and for lashes, this is the cannot speak.
For lashes, this is what's gonna pull everything together. I'm gonna be using Camisole by Kiss Lash. It's a huge lash. I like to use Duo Glue. I don't know. I used to use the Ardella glue, but I didn't like that one. I feel like this one sticks really good for the price and it lasts me forever. I also really recommend these lashes if you're into like crazy looks like me. They pull everything together. And they're really inexpensive. I believe they were only $8. Okay, so this is the lash, like, I mean, come on. Look at the difference. You have this side, a look, and this side, like, it's a Halloween. Okay, so I'm back. I just added some lashes and black eyeliner in my waterline. Now I'm just gonna add some heart details, like, in the bottom. I'm gonna go in with my CC Beauty, aka Makeup Forever dupe. I am gonna take the red shade and the black shade. So I have my 3 little brushes here. I think I'm gonna take this semi big one and just start drawing hearts. So I'm gonna add some hearts. Alrighty. That red brown eyeshadow that I used and just kind of shade around it. I think I'm gonna add like some cool little dripping effects. I just found this bomb sex pot that I have. This one is called Work is Overrated. Nope, yep, that's it. Yes, that's what I wanted. I really love the Balm Sex Pots. They're so beautiful and they last forever. I'm gonna go in with this big Morphe brush that we used. It's the only red blush I have. So I'm gonna take the red here and just pray for the best. Okay, I think I fucked up by putting it there. I'm not sure if I could save this. So I put blush, but I didn't like how it looked. So I'm trying to like diffuse it a little bit with my foundation. That was a little too intense. That happened last year with my freaking look. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep it there. Maybe I'll just put a little bit of pink blush. I'm going to take the same highlight that I used. For lips, Underage Red by Kat Von D. That is the look. I literally did not talk at all during this video like I said I was going to. I ended up getting really into my art this time. I couldn't talk because I got in the zone and I was like, ooh, I see a vision. So this is basically like my creative process at work. So I hope you enjoy this love stick look I created. Stay tuned for the last installment. That is officially going to be a wearable, sultry, beautiful look. But I really do like these creative looks, what can I say? So thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys on Friday.